stuff up throughout the year. We bring them in February and grind it for landscape mulch. It's a nice rainy day here at Spring River Lumber Company, as you can see. This pile I'm standing on is about 40 foot high. I'm on the top of it looking down. And it goes, that's finished product over there. We have a lot of wood waste. Like I said, this is 30 foot deep, probably 3 acres, 4 acres of stuff here. We actually didn't grind last year for some reason or another. The market wasn't very good. We had some leftover from the year before. Mills running this morning, we're really low on logs. Markets aren't very good, but we're always optimistic in the lumber business. It's going to be better tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to have to get back on my machine here, give Caterpillar a little bit of love. Everyone have a great day. Maybe this rain will stop here one of these days. It's really been a wet January and February. But if you need some premium mulch, we've got it at Spring River Lumber. Come get it. Call Jamie, 417-284-8184. She'll fix you up. Adios.